Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I will show you how to upload a video on YouTube. Okay, so let's start our video. First of all, go to your channel studio. Okay, first of all, you will come here. This is dashboard. You can see here this dashboard, and this is content. Okay, then now we will upload a video, then create upload videos, then we will upload these videos. Wait, we will upload this one, this one, this one. Okay, just waiting. Then here you can use a description. Okay, then thumbnail. Okay, then you have to use a thumbnail. So here is my thumbnail. It is uploading. Yes, processing videos thumbnail. Okay, done. Here is my thumbnail. Select playlist, take 25. This is my playlist for this video. No, it's not made for kids. Okay, then drop down, and here is tag section. You can use here multiple tags. I am using these 3 tags. Okay, now here is videos language. It was Bangla. So location, no, science and technology category. Okay, you have to select a category. I have there are a lot of categories, so I have selected. Okay, now next, then add subtitle, add an end screen. Now add end screen. I have to use this one. Okay, this one is perfect for me. Okay, choose a specific video, click here and select it. Now save it. Okay, then add cards. You have multiple choice, no problem. Playlist, channel and videos. So at now I will add here a video, this one. Okay, I will add another one. Let's see here, and add new card. Here is playlist. Okay, now save. Now our end screen and add cards are saved. Okay, successfully. Now next, copyright issues, no issues found. Okay, next, then your video will be private, unlisted or public. My video will be public. Okay, now publish. It's publishing, just wait and watch. Okay, it's done. Now here is my video, this one. Okay, so I think it's a very easiest way to all. So I hope you can do this very easily. So at least before go, please subscribe, likes and share this channel. I hope I will come here another important video for us and for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.